Hi, hello children. Today we are going to discuss class 9th chapter 3rd coordinate geometry introduction part. This is important for 10th also. How to plot the graph papers. From this only you can understand. This chapter is just basic contents are present in the class 9th, but in 10th standard level it is a much syllabus. See, fundamental basics I am giving. Plane means a smooth surface is called plane. It is also called Cartesian plane. Plane means suppose a blackboard or a wall, a smooth wall, that means, or any table surface. All these are examples for plane. So it's generally so many faces are smooth surfaces only, that is plane only. Father of coordinate geometry, René Descartes, who is French origin mathematician, René Descartes. Actually they are pronounced like that, their names those are okay. Plane is divided by two perpendicular lines. Suppose you are drawing two lines, perpendicular lines each other like this, what I have shown in the with two pens. These are perpendicular lines to each other. Say in this one red end point is x-axis point because it is horizontal line. Another one is there, cap oriented pen, light cap oriented pen is a vertical line. So one is horizontal line which is perpendicular to the another line, that is vertical line. X-axis line, horizontal line, vertical line is called as y-axis line. So I shall show in the graph in a paper with just shaded type may be present, it will be, but it appears with a pen pencil no, so it is not appeared very clearly. So observe this entire, this is x-axis, x o x dash, yes, x dash o x is x-axis, y o y dash, this is representation y, yes, y o is another, s y dash, this is one line, standard line. Horizontal line is called x-axis. We will discuss that only based on the figure, you can understand. Plane, what is plane? Plane is divided by two perpendicular lines. I have shown already with pens, horizontal line x dash o x is called x-axis. Axis, singular means axis, plural means axis. Vertical line y o y dash is called y-axis. So vertical line, horizontal line I have shown with the pens already. Where the two lines intersect point is called origin. Origin means O, 0 0. Outside is look like a same all the varieties, not all three zeros. Here it is O, means origin. Inside 0 0. Co-ordinate, we will discuss about that. Co-ordinate means coordinate. Again I shall explain that. The two lines also called coordinate, yes, these two lines also called coordinate axis. It is a plural one, axis, axes, axis, plural, axis not, singular means axis, plural means axis. The coordinate axis divided the plane into four parts called quadrants. Quadrants, what are those quadrants? I am showing that. Suppose this is q1, it is light in color, yes, I am overwriting with the pen so that it appears very clearly. See that, plus x greater than 0, y also greater than 0, that means positive x-axis this side, positive y-axis this side. So that's why it is plus plus. Quadrant 2 means, see, first I am telling about coordinate. What is coordinate means? That is, coordinate is very important. Based on that we can explain that very clearly. What is coordinate? X comma y is a coordinate. This is called as first point x-axis point, second point is y point, x comma y. First coordinate, this is called coordinate. The mathematician name Reynolds Cartes afterwards, coordinate came. It is also known as ordered pair. Why? Because first x is there, later y term is there. That's why ordered pair. Pair means two are there. That's why x comma y two are there. That's why it is ordered pair. Okay, another name is ordered pair. It represents in a plane one sharp point will come. One sharp point will be present at one place in a plane. That is coordinate. Now we are going to discuss again the same things previously. Coordinate axis divided by quadrants. We are going to discuss quadrants. See first one, x greater than 0, y also greater than 0. Both, suppose you are keeping some points means you will get that. I shall show in the sums how to plot the graph points in a graph paper. I shall show it so that you can understand very clearly. This is plus plus, first one. Second one is minus plus, because left hand side this is x dash. From origin to left hand side this will be negative values coming. Say you know that this is 0, here 1, here 2, 3, plus values are coming, you know, right side. Negative values coming left hand side, minus 2. Just it is not a measurement, approximate values we have. Yes, we are going to draw, so don't consider that as exact values, not measurement. This is a negative values, so x value is negative, minus here. Plus means upside, plus value is there. For y value, see 1, 2, I am representing like this, 1, 2, 3 value, positive values upside. Downside values, negative values, minus 1, so minus 2, minus 3, like this go on continuously. So in the second quadrant Q2, second quadrant, that means you can represent like this, or Roman numerals also you can give 1, 2, like that. Quadrant means 1/4 part is called quadrant. 4 quadrants it represents. Entire line, 4 quadrants. So entire plane is divided into 4 quadrants, you know already. This is Q3. Q3 means third quadrant, both are minus. X coordinate, first always we should take x coordinate. You remind that definitely. X, yes, remember that. X first coordinate, y second coordinate. This side negative, even this side also negative. That's why minus minus third quadrant. Fourth quadrant is Q4. Q4 plus comma minus. That means positive value of x-axis this side is there. That's why plus minus. This side, see once minus minus. Like this. Another way also they may give in this symbolic, not a representation. X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0 means that is first quadrant. X less than 0, y greater than 0 means second quadrant. Third quadrant, x less than 0, y also less than 0. That means both are minus. Fourth quadrant, x greater than 0, y less than 0. X less than 0, x greater than 0, y less than 0. This is fourth quadrant. Like this, we need to write yes entire information like this, so that you will get the easily you can understand each content. X comma y is a coordinate, already said. It is a also known as co-ordered pair. Ordered pair. X axis point is called abscissa or first coordinate. Its name is abscissa. Y-axis point is called ordinate or second coordinate. The y-axis point is called ordinate, not coordinate. This is ordinate or second coordinate we will call. The coordinate of x-axis generally represented x comma 0, a comma 0 or b comma 0, p comma 0, 5 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0, like this. General representation x comma 0 is represented in class 10th like that. The coordinate of y-axis is represented as 0 comma y, 0 comma b. That means first coordinate 0 means it is on the y-axis, it is present. 0 comma a, 0 comma p or 0 comma 2, 0 comma minus 5, like that. General representation is 0 comma y or 0 comma b. First two are general representation will be given in the sums. So you need to understand like that. If x is not equal to y, x comma y, see once, x comma y is not equal to y comma x, because I am giving with example also. 3 comma 2, first point is x point is 3, y point is 2, so coordinate. So that's why is not equal to 2 comma 3. If you are showing as plotting the point, you can understand these concepts also. I shall show with some sums I shall explain so that you can understand. If x is equal to y, x comma y is equal to y comma x, both are equal. That means 2 comma 2 is there. Even reverse also 2 comma 2. The same points is observed. In the summative assessment sums so many times given. Minus x comma minus y, if minus x minus y, where x is less than 0, y is also less than 0, then where it is existing means, then it is first quadrant. It shows first quadrant. That means Q1. But you may confuse x comma y first quadrant, no, y minus x minus y first quadrant means here conditions are given. X is less than 0 and y is less than 0. That means this is minus and this is minus. Minus of minus, plus value coming. Minus of, in the plus. See, I am giving one example. Suppose say minus of minus 2 right. Next minus of minus 3. Another I wrote. Now minus into minus plus 2 and minus of minus plus 3 coming. 2 comma 3 represent like this. Individually x value, you know, this is less than 0. Individually y value less than 0. That's why after negative values x less than 0, y less than 0 means minus of minus positive value coming. It takes first quadrant only. It represents in the point first quadrant. Children, this is a very less topic. Only the contents you need to understand. How to plotting the points only is in this content. So better to write in a paper so that you can clearly understand all the contents. Children, you better to share to your friends so that they will get the information. Subscribe it and like it. Share to your friends. Have a nice day, children. Thank you.